my favorite phenomenon in Massachusetts has happened, which is we had a snowstorm that dropped just enough wet snow for it to subsequently freeze over and create an awful sheet of ice from my driveway down to the street. I live on a hill, so that doesn't make it very easy to get up the driveway. The walkway's nightmare. And of course I go out and I try to shovel it, but it's frozen. And so luckily there was a layer of snow after that was giving a little traction, but it's now 55 degrees outside and it's rained and it's completely gone. So I'm glad I didn't shovel because I just had to wait a few days. And the warmth and some rain cleared my entire driveway.